Good morning from a sunny Dorset. It's been stopped raining for a change, and we're delighted to have a bit of sun on our faces. So the last couple of days we've been working on this 2019 Fiat Ducato, but as you can see from behind me, it's not the usual motorhome that we're working on. This is a covered low loader for car transportation, and this customer travels all over Europe delivering and picking up cars, so needed a better system in here. So what we've done for him is the Alpine Halo 11, huge 11-inch digital media system, and our premium triple audio system. We've also done the FM and DAB antenna and a security device, but we'll start off around the other side, just talk a bit more about the antenna. We've done loads and loads of these, but the popularity is also growing. Reason for that is because of the fact that most of these vehicles simply do not have a DAB antenna, and if they do, it's useless because it's passive, not active. FM antennas built into here on most of these vehicles, but this vehicle is a panel van, so it does have the original FM antenna on the roof, which is now redundant, and we have fitted our body-mounted amplified FM and DAB antenna. Removable whip. Cabling gets taken in through to the glove box, connected up to the FM and DAB aspect of the new Alpine Halo 11, and then given a 12-volt amplification feed just to give it a boost. So now when he's driving across France and many other places in Europe, he's going to be able to get decent radio reception, which is going to be absolutely perfect and spot on, because before that was lacking and it was something that was complaining about. So let's jump inside now and we'll show you a little bit about our premium triple audio system and the Halo 11. Now, reminder, this is a work van. It's not the cleanest, but this is a functional work van, so it's a little bit grubbier inside. Sorry, owner, if you're listening, but you're going to pick it up on the camera anyway. So, Halo 11 is amazing. It's got a whopping HD 720p display. It's clean, it's crisp, it's got some amazing features. DAB, FM, wireless Apple CarPlay, can have wireless Android Auto if you plug in one of our dongles that we're selling on our website, and has got Class D internal amplifier. It's got Tidal app, it's got dual USB, dual camera connectivity, loads of features and loads of functions. This one, because we fitted it into this Fiat, has got a dedicated vehicle setup. So we have fitted a data interface behind the scenes which retains information about the vehicle that would have been lost as soon as you remove the old radio. The old radio that was in there was a factory fitted VP1, and these settings in here, whether you need them or not, is still accessible through the Alpine system. Now we've done a few videos on the premium triple audio package. Now the premium triple audio package is our newest bit of kit. It's £1,999, including VAT supplied and fitted. Obviously this is at the time, January 2026, prices will change as the years go on depending on when you're watching this. But it involves or consists of stages 1, 2 and 3 sound absorber and noise absorber and sound deadening in the doors to reduce road noise and provide the best environment for the new Eton door speakers. They're German handmade door speakers that have gone in the doors, and then up on the A-pillars, either left hand side of the dash, either left and right hand side of the dash, are the new Eton tweeters. We've then also fitted a Phoenix Gold powered amplifier to run the subwoofer. It's got its own individual bass control knob, and that then powers the 8-inch Alpine discrete subwoofer that sits below the drinks holder. Now the reason why Sammy is not zooming into all of these places is because this is not a lot of room in the back of this vehicle, because it is just a normal panel van. But we wanted you to see the combo here of the Halo 11 digital media system, all teamed up with our premium triple audio system, triple audio package. Now, the premium triple audio package works at its very best with an aftermarket head unit, because we use RCA low level from here for the subwoofer down to the amplifier and then tune it. The sound output from this is phenomenal. The amplifier and the subwoofer work really, really well together. The subwoofer is being pushed to new levels, which the original triple audio package, which although works amazingly, doesn't and can't perform as well because of the power. You still have a subwoofer bass control knob for control. If you jump in with the headache, you can just turn that down. But the sound quality in here now, as well as stages 1, 2 and 3, is amazing. So you can go onto Apple CarPlay, you've got all your usual mod cons that you would have. You've got your Google Maps, you've got your Waze, you've got your WhatsApp. You've got everything you need in here, but on a really nice, sizable screen, so that when this customer's driving around Europe, he's going to be able to navigate safely and deliver and collect his vehicles. So if you're interested in any of the products we fitted in here, FM DAB antenna, the premium triple audio package or the Halo 11, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. If you don't already subscribe to our channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button. Follow us on social media, it's Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions, get in touch with us via the contact form. And as usual, thank you very much for watching.